friends, this is your Padmaja again from Hong Kong, and today I'm excited to share my sister-in-law's recipe, which is a typical Telangana dish, that is Bagara rice and gravy bajji curry. Heat about 3 spoons of ghee in your cooker. Add the onions which are cut lengthwise, 3 bay leaves, half a stick of cinnamon, about 4 green chilies, the star anise, 4 cloves, 3 green cardamom, 1 spoon of jeera seeds, few podina leaves of garlic ginger paste and stir it well. Now add 1.5 glass of washed basmati rice, about 2 3/4 glasses of water, salt to taste, and the coriander leaves, and mix well and cook the Bagar rice until it is done. Mix these ingredients along with water to make a batter. Add a pinch of soda and mix well to make this consistency of the batter. Now just in hot oil drop the bajjis. Heat oil in a pan. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of jeera seeds, half spoon of haldi, 2 spoons of garlic ginger paste, onion chopped, and half tomato chopped. Fry till it is completely done. Now add the poppy seeds and dry coconut paste and 3 spoons of chili powder and mix well till the coconut paste and poppy seed paste is fried well. Once the oil starts leaving the paste, add 2 glasses of water and about 2 spoons of salt. Now let it cook before you add the bajjis in this. Add the bajjis, all the bajjis into this boiling gravy, and also garnish it along with coriander leaves. Let it boil for about 2 minutes.